Everywhere you look, headlines scream that AI art is dead. Copyright chaos, generic outputs, and the end of the hype, these are the stories dominating the conversation. But what if this so-called death is actually a violent rebirth? The truth is by 2026, platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion aren't fading away. Instead, they're evolving into something far more powerful and transformative. This isn't an ending, it's a new beginning that will reshape how we create and experience art. The next few years will see these tools break free from their early limitations, setting the stage for a creative revolution. Let's dive into what's really happening beneath the surface. Narrative that AI art is dead ignores the reality of rapid evolution. Remember those awkward mutant hands from 2023? They're already vanishing, replaced by stunning photorealism and expressive detail. The ethical debates and copyright battles aren't roadblocks, they're catalysts, pushing the technology forward. AI art isn't stagnant, it's shattering its own boundaries, moving into a new era where the tools themselves are almost unrecognizable. This transformation is about more than just fixing flaws, it's about redefining what's possible in digital creation. As we move forward, expect to see AI art that's more nuanced, more powerful, and more deeply integrated into the creative process than ever before. Midjourney and DALL-E have undergone a dramatic transformation. No longer are they just tools that interpret words, they now understand artistic intent at a deep level. Imagine flawless anatomy, cinematic lighting, and compositions that rival the masters. These platforms can translate abstract concepts like tragic beauty or chaotic serenity into precise visual poetry. They're not just following instructions, they're becoming true creative partners, capable of collaborating with artists to realize visions that were once impossible. This leap in precision and understanding marks a turning point, making AI art a genuine force in the world of creativity. He predicted the end of Stable Diffusion, but they misunderstood the power of open-source innovation. Far from dying, Stable Diffusion has become an unstoppable modular powerhouse. With features like control net manipulation, real-time style shifts, and consistent custom characters, it offers unrivaled customization. The open ecosystem means that the community is constantly driving new features and creative possibilities. It's the ultimate sandbox for artists and creators, adapting to any whim or vision. This level of flexibility and control is unprecedented, making Stable Diffusion a central force in the future of digital art. Critics often focus on static images, missing the true scope of the AI art revolution. Today's AI isn't just about generating pictures, it's about creating entire new dimensions of art. We're seeing the rise of generative animation, immersive 3D worlds, and interactive experiences that respond to your movements. Art is becoming a living, breathing entity, capable of evolving and reacting in real time. This is more than just a technological leap, it's a fundamental shift in how we experience creativity. The future of AI art is dynamic, interactive, and limitless, opening doors to experiences we've only begun to imagine.